Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today we have a 2010 Chevy Malibu LT, and we're doing an oil change. I'm going to get right into it. First thing I would do is loosen up this fill cap, just so that it's like good airflow for when I do take off the bolt underneath to drain the oil. There, I'm going to set up my pan, line it up right underneath the drain bolt. I don't even think I need to jack it up a little bit. I'm going to jack it up just a little bit so I can reach it. Alright, so before you jack it up, just make sure that you're engaging the parking brake. Yeah. From here, I'm going to go ahead and loosen up the drain plug. Drain plug will be a 15 mil. Just go ahead and break it loose. So just let the oil drain until it's like barely dripping. So I'm gonna let that finish up. I'll be back. I'm gonna backtrack a little bit. I got carried away. For the oil filter housing, it's gonna be right here, right there. Just the cap. I think it calls for a 30mm socket, but I don't have that. Also, it's a tight fit for what I did have. I just used pliers to loosen it up. Works just fine. Replace the gasket ring. Replace the gasket ring, and then replace the filter. Put it back in. Tighten it up. Once you replace the filter, go ahead and replace your drain plug. Fill it up. Let it run about 10 minutes or so. Check for any leaks. Yeah. Just one more thing before I close out the video. At the end of the oil change, you're gonna want to reset your oil life. I don't know. Your oil life light, whatever, is right in there. See that right there? Alright, so what you want to do is, key off, key on, press the gas pedal 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And it should be back 100%. Yep.